A coder whose screen was a jumble, a puzzle, a never-ending tangle of code. He loved his work, but sometimes it felt like chasing a runaway bug through a digital jungle. One sunny morning, a tiny package arrived. Inside, whirring and blinking, was Bug, a small robot with a big purpose. Bug had glowing blue eyes and two helpful multi-tool arms. "Hello, Alex. I am Bug, your new productivity companion," Bug chirped. "Doing a little happy whir." Alex blinked. "A productivity companion? I mostly just need more coffee." He chuckled, a bit skeptical. Bug zipped around Alex's desk, scanning his messy code. Observation: inefficient task switching detected. Solution: focus blocks, Bug announced, projecting a colorful timer onto Alex's screen. For 25 minutes, Alex, you code. No emails, no social media, no distraction worms, Bug instructed firmly, hovering by his ear. Alex grumbled, but decided to try. He typed, focused, and before he knew it, the timer chimed. "Time for a 5-minute wiggle break," Bug commanded, demonstrating a tiny robot dance. Alex stretched, laughed, and even joined in Bug's silly dance. He felt refreshed and ready to tackle the next coding challenge. Next, Bug introduced the Pomodoro Punch. Long tasks? Break them into bite-sized chunks! Small wins lead to big triumphs, Bug explained, pointing to Alex's lengthy to-do list. Alex started breaking down his biggest coding problems. Instead of one giant mountain, he saw a path of small, manageable hills. Bug also had a knack for debug doodles. When stuck, "Alex, draw your problem, visualize the bug, then squash it," Bug suggested, providing a tiny digital canvas. Alex, surprisingly, found himself sketching flowcharts and little monster bugs. It helped him see the logic errors more clearly. And for those really tricky moments, "Alex, remember the rubber duck debugging?" Bug exclaimed, presenting a squeaky yellow duck. "Talk your problem out, Alex, even if it's just to Mr. Duck," Bug chirped. Alex felt silly, but explaining the code aloud often revealed the hidden error. Days turned into weeks, and Alex's desk transformed. His code was cleaner, his projects were on schedule, and his stress was, well, still there, but much, much smaller. Bug would often remind him, "Remember to hydrate, Alex. A well-watered coder is a happy coder," and even brought him water. Alex found himself looking forward to Bug's chirps and clever suggestions. The little robot was more than just a tool. It was a tiny, brilliant friend. One evening, Alex finished a particularly tricky project ahead of schedule. He leaned back, a proud smile on his face. "Bug," he said, "you're amazing. My productivity has soared," Bug whirred happily, doing a celebratory flip. From then on, Alex and Bug were an inseparable coding duo, proving that even the biggest coding challenges can be solved with a little focus, a lot of fun, and a brilliant bite-sized boost.